Effect of technology on children. Technology's impact on children. Remember when you were 10 years old and would spend hours running about the yard with your friends, sweating terribly, and then come home for a cold drink? Technology today has brought out negative effects in children. These impacts are worrisome, because they cause havoc on children's normal growth. Scientific research on children who spend their days glued to their electronics rather than engaging in outside play has yielded alarming results. When you were a kid, when having a television was rare, you spent your time reading and playing outside, which needed more attention, memory, and imagination. Modern technologies that increase visual stimulation have decreased the frequency with which the memory and attention parts of the brain are engaged, resulting in a significant lack of attention and an inability to store knowledge in your brain for a long period. This is a critical concern for a growing child, as it affects his attention span and ability to recall knowledge. Technology forces the brain to pay attention in a new way. When youngsters prefer to stay inside, they develop a sedentary lifestyle. Obese children are more likely to develop diabetes at a young age. On the whole, children are becoming very unhealthy due to overuse of technology. Children who play video games or watch a few television shows, for example, have better visual spatial skills and try to discover one specific thing amid a cluster of objects rapidly. Kids who use the internet frequently want the quickest solution to any problem. However, these findings come from children who divide their time between technology and outdoor activities. Work out a good time balance between technology-driven and non-technological pursuits.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.